I'm not gonna put any vegetables in here, guys, because all the vegetables is in there already. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna eat all these plantains. I am gonna put a little bit of chili pepper though, and I love that chili pepper. Yep, that's how we're doing it. Quick and fast. I'll eat this. I'm gonna do the salad, which I already had some from earlier, but gonna just make a little bit more. So the salad is basically just spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers. Oops, I'm spilling stuff, and gonna put a little bit of peppers in there. Nothing fancy, just to have something green and luscious in the salad. So all of my vegetables is already pre-washed before they go in the fridge, and then I put it in bags. And then this is the cucumber, it's English cucumber. I have the other kind, but I don't want to use it. I'm going to use that for my juicing because it's much more beneficial than the cucumber, the English cucumber. That's pretty much it for salad. Guys, like up the channel if you're watching. Welcome to Farrell's Kitchen. Just quick leftover dinner made into a new meal. Okay, so this is pretty much ready. Again, I'm not doing a lot to it. It's done. And I have a salad with it. And that's about it. I hope you're having a good day. So as usual, I'm gonna plate this for you. Should have done a smaller version of it, but it's okay. Plating your dish is good. I mean, you're still gonna eat it the same ways, but it's all right. Why you